Hello, my friend. Welcome to our channel. This is Fiona here and our new friend.
Hi, this is Rachel.
Today we are going to show you the series of 2D sublimation phone cases. Obsessed with picture quality? Then you've got to see our 2D lineup.
We got black, white, and even translucent cases. We now mainly produce for Apple and Samsung series. As you can see, this is metal white and this is glass. Whatever you want, we can got you.
By the way, this is the white background double-sided glass tape for glass back. And this is the transparent double-sided tape for aluminum plate. But are they tough?
Of course, our case offers protection for daily use.
Our phone cases are suitable for any occasion. You don't even have to think about it. It's got that professional edge for the office, but it's sleek enough for a night out.
This is new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's do a test. See how the phone case protects the phone.
Wow, they're pretty tough. They can definitely handle the occasional drop.
So how do we use sublimation printing to a phone case?
The setup is super easy. Let's go. Put it in the heat press machine for 60 seconds. It's very fast and consistent.
Let's see, the color is amazing and the details about the phone case are pretty good. You can buy it with confidence.
Behind the scenes, our engineers are constantly designing new models to stay ahead of the curve.
We have a large stock to ensure fast shipping.
Check this out. This is our specialized workshop where high-quality cases are born every day. With 15 years of R&D experience, our specialized team provides global brands.
Our company has attained authoritative international certifications including ISO 9001, CE, BSCI, and SGS to ensure reliable and stable performance of our products.
Okay, this is all for today. See you next time.